Um, I think we need to end the racism that I think people have in their hearts. What I mean is that I think it comes from the fact that people don't know much about something. I can give an example. In the early in 2016 or 15, I think it was kind of cool to make didn't do jokes or didn't do nothing. And I don't know how much neo Nazis use this to kind of recruit people online. I'm not saying that crime doesn't happen or it's not bad that people make it bad for business owner. But it's also that the situation that USA has is this. It seems like a sad state of people who live sort of in a corrupt system where people try to do their living, and then there's poverty and misery and stuff. So, but what I'm trying to say is, uh, but yeah, it also comes from the Karen jokes too, because I do think it was made in the backlash of this whole thing. So, I mean, racism is kind of like it's a state of being of not trying to relate to someone's problems. I think so. What was I supposed to say again? I'm trying to remember here. But basically, uh, when people do hurtful things to one another, they're kind of making it bad for others in a sense. Yeah, now now I actually remember. Um, I think it's in context. I watched the MacGyver episode. I mean, I mentioned this in earlier videos, but it's not a very specific video, so I'm gonna mention this one. But in MacGyver, there was an episode where some people in a community looked at some person who they deemed as a trollmaker. And the message of this episode is people who may look at someone as a criminal may not actually be a criminal. In the context of you may perceive someone as bad even though you don't know or you don't care to know. You just think they are, and that's all they are to you. I do think that's a good anti-racist message of this episode. I think it's called "The Challenge." It's from episode 76 of MacGyver from the 1980s series. Yeah, I recommend watching that. I think it's a good, very good anti-racist message. But I just think there's too much hate in people, and I do think it's wrong. So, yeah, I just want to make this video on that. Thank you and bye.